In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Steam Link not pairing. If your Steam Link won't connect to your gaming PC. We'll walk through the essential checks and fixes to get you streaming smoothly again. Start by opening Steam on your host PC from the top left menu. Choose Steam, then Settings, and open the Remote Play section. Make sure Enable Remote Play is checked. This toggle is what allows your PC to advertise itself to the Steam Link app or hardware. After turning it on, give Steam a moment to apply the setting and keep Steam running while you try to pair. Next, confirm both your PC and your Steam Link device or app are on the same local network and the same subnet. In most homes, that just means they're connected to the same router and not on a guest network. For the best stability and lowest latency, use a wired Ethernet connection where possible. If you are on Wi-Fi, choose the 5 GHz band instead of 2.4 GHz to avoid congestion and interference. Even moving closer to the router can make pairing faster and more reliable. Now check your firewall. On Windows, Steam needs permission through Windows Firewall on both private and public networks. Open Windows Security, go to Firewall and Network Protection and select Allow an app through Firewall. Find Steam in the list and make sure the boxes for both private and public are checked. If you see multiple Steam entries, enable them all. Click OK to save, then restart Steam so the changes take effect. It's also a good idea to restart and update. Reboot your PC to clear any stuck network services. Then launch Steam and let it fully update the client. If an update is pending, install it before attempting to pair. Updates often include fixes for remote play discovery. If you are not seeing the pairing code on your TV or mobile device, try restarting the Steam Link app and your computer, then attempt pairing again. This refreshes the discovery process and usually triggers the code prompt. If the issue still persists, reinstall the Steam Link app on your device. For the dedicated Steam Link hardware, consider a factory reset. Be aware that a reset clears saved settings, so you'll need to go through the initial setup again afterward. Once reinstalled or reset, open the app, make sure Remote Play is enabled on the PC, and repeat the pairing process. That's it. Thanks for watching.